near recording Nesifa Koya, and Rawuko, a Yekotonima Bosom ne de Tosu Edionum, and a Chesomokoche Mammy, I was such a zongo, no, I was such a Kumewu men's ninim, and your police for Ednaqua Koshe, Fias or Mosha Seshemu, a bet to me, a cosona, and Chebiana, I don't then Bacojina Sem Dibia, Nachasem Rano, and no Eddie.
And Penny Sabe, a buana no what says a crana, I had no fenchel su. Into your best, in the Pebino Casa. Any other for 10 times so no. So we'll grow one when you hot to power, and Yasim Kumo, as in you wine. Into more margin, no, a two baby as Sabi, and yet you mamma penny, you see the threaten, a casse. Ah, maybe be an how margin Sabi, I try more Nayamus house a dear deal, or man penny threaten, say, a casse. And one of my fun and saying, Naja, or man, I'm done your bomb pine, Sabi, won't to make a cacacansum, who needs or threaten man penny, says a dear dear. Yan to akasi about to fear and fancy one can prevent and copy of my gun shama crudianum. Na a shaman and ne, I dish ye be and tiasempa. Nina say, a uniform pem nene, one of a shop, and prefer bunning not to a go. One of which I'm a honor dear, a yabia, a some of them and crank crack at the nibi, not the honum, and didn't do my cram. Na can it, ma'am? Sir, a shop on Gobuna and the dear no, as she said how much I want a yawa day. Kotonuma bosom ene data so de no ba kom e won fim pim ene do nsiemu na wore mo kirema mprempren shops baburu ba ya duonum 50 shops na nyina da empinifo etumadwuru na nyina da ato ade agom na ma motonton no edos nye pa na dwadefo ne kirem se ne eka ba no nya kakuma kram efiri se o mantumi afa kapre o magya pade nyina da ne empinifo etumabu ne nyina da etumi ato ade agom na niam ho aka ne no ebi eya plumbing materials meka enema hoto am yade ya pipe ne ade ya afin so electrical appliances pina provisions ne ade generators just ne nyina da emperifo ko bubu shop ne nti ne nyina da access ya sika pempem ina ne nyina da etimi adwiri ekom na adwadifo ne wono ho aka no mekire ye Peaceful Settlers Traders Association ono mo ashaman openipo da wonim omanim ene sentwerefo etwetwen komom ne din ade Jeffrey Eli ekire mu sei Wamunya nkrasa hamache no nan ena mpenifo bi ede afre mu munutum ekwesi bia omutoto no tone ma no wo ho no ma na echa omudwire om shop ne nyina tu agua ayara ho sempam opani kirem sei emra omunya ne kra no mkopie ho no e wo mra na semaduasa abo apa no num ho hamache na so mkoye a fofia ntoata na watwade ma om shop ne de nyina da mpenifo adwire ne nyina etimi etu agum na omu kirem sei Sadi ya kweso mtu super so penipo no ya abana msini edema de sha wodem ho ashaman yamba po ni minyamfo freeman eye chepo papai ene sha ase ne ode o masase yantam a o mabra ho sam edema ankwankra bi ekodidi so ne ntene wama wonom enu aduane aba wonom wama uchem sasase wonom pre sam ewa kane Ghana man penin dada wanya ne ba bi krom be papa Jelly John Rollins abreso ebepim omampende da John ejekum kufu abreso mpo ansa na asase wonom ensa etum ekam ade sei echemte se ameka sei no eye GPRT mpanifo ena afin so ankwankra bi ena omotwe mansa asase ye omodia asam ne wo court ntonum de ente ene emprefa ko bubu omagya pade eto agom ade sei echirem sei won besre Ghana mampani de adure no ahokyera ba ne sento mampani fa 90 fom na mra enya dwom o manyi monte sa pa mo so beba mo de atom hofo na basabasa o maye bi e de atia Ashaman mention
for Peaceful Settlers Association. It's very unfortunate that we have an MC in the name of Freeman Chepo who is very dangerous to the people of Ashaiman. Ever since Freeman Chepo occupied that public office over there, he has never given us peace. I grew up over here. My parents and grandparents have lived over here for the past 60 years. And through that, we were able to get documentation from TBC. So as it stands now, we have all our documents from TDC. No MC, I repeat, no MC, apart from Autry, the former MC, and Freeman Chepo, has given us sleepless nights like never before. Since Freeman Chepo came into that office, he has persistently harassed us that he will make sure that he breaks us from our own land, our own property, that we do our own business. We are in court with GPRTU. We are in court with Rahim Haruna, who has trespassed on our land. And as law-abiding citizens, we have never tried to be in a fight with them or anything of that sort. We have always moved through the legal channels. But it seems that Honorable Freeman Cheko is using his task force to harass us day and night. And this is not a surprise to us. We woke up at 5 a.m. having calls here and there that our shops are being demolished. Who demolishes shops at night? Freeman Cheko, I've said it over and over again that we have heard that he is interested in the land. He has been promised that when the shops are built, a portion of it will be given to him. Freeman Cheko called us into his office, put us down and said that this is an agreement letter. Sign it that you are giving the land to Haruna to develop the land, and then you move away from the land. We are pleading on behalf of the government to call Honorable Cheko, Freeman Cheko, and then the MP.
Ekaba no. Eni a wuti ono eneye kasamafo de ma Peaceful Settlers Traders Association ewa shama ne din ede Jeffrey Eli ena wote ne nkan na eno wachi ena dwadifo a wonom ho aka ekirema sesei de atupempim ahokyera pa na bai womonyamfom so bia sesei biaye a wonom didi kakra nkra mpenifo tu omo no ehefa wonom konkwatan didie womato abawie nanso ne eni panya tumi wo manyim ade ope ne woye ne send Ghana mampeni onfa ne nine fence officer de ato omo na no wode ne pante sa womoso betu am hofo manyim.
All of us said we were here again when Ashima came to write that we should move. Within 7 days, we should move our things. They are come to break the place. When we went to him, they said the station, people also bring their documents. And we said, okay, no problem. If they bring their documents, we also have our documents with you. So can you please go to TDC and check again to see if they've won the case already? Or the court give them a permit to come and give it to you people to place here. Nobody give us any letter. President Mama Yepa Ocho, Assembly Pacho, give us years. We need your help in this issue.
I want Ashma to suspend the demolition exercise so that when the court finish with the case, then I think we will know what to do.
We want to sell this land. You see, poor people, we are here making with job, so that we get something to eat. You are coming to sack us like that. Where are we going? That DC, where did he have to give us before he want to sell it? They want money because when they come to power, they just want to destroy everything. When they get money, when they don't get, they want to destroy and get their money.
Since the case at court, we all agree that we should allow the court to settle the case. They don't have right to come and then write that we should move. Where are we going? Where are we going? We are all Ghanaians and we are selling our things. We are paying everything to Asma. As we are here, we are paying ground rent. Everything every year.
Eni a wuti ye ayo Mike na dwadifo a wonom ewo ashama nene empenifo de excavators ekobubu wonom shops ena mu kire mu se omo ye hiafo masabe de ombedi mpo eden tiese ene omadwiri ho de mato agu na de no ombedi o mampeni emfa nancy form nonka bi ema wonom emu kire mu ene de asommu yi
Yentwa Kasiabone so na pa kwasi indum president de ma group indum osanso businessman akasa chemu say JN savings and loans for licenses kwata hyese yemfa ema wo monon enye company ne nko ana beboa na emu mesanso ebeboa Ghana yesikasem ye papa na okasa ewa bra court of appeal for Bank of Ghana for some fa JN bank licenses emfa ema wom ana Mr Indum chema sajinesi omusiye de beboa mu ye papa esan say infie nsu ni achese omutu bank ni ma adwuma efo na ewo ho mabusuafo any company no operation na ebeye basa na chese akoya ade sopa ede ama ona so se na court ahye de ebetimi aboa wom se na ebeye a oman Ghana so sikasem betimi akosoro na court ne so ehye se niema eye obi ade anomfa ema wom sanso anamo anomo ye adwuma ewo GN service and loans ni na no ɔmo nsan fo ɔmo enko ye adwuma na yade a bank yi ɔmo tu mu mfi pimienu ne dun watwinim ɛwɔ abra na ɔmo yɛ sakraye ɛwɔ ye banking sector nim ɛwɔ man Ghana mu ana nam so akyese ɔmo timi ɛto GN savings and loans nim na Dr. Indu mekasa na oche mu sa abanya abayi de na kyese yade a bibia ebetimi akoso business ebetimi akoso ye papa na ɔhwɛ sɛ ɔmo nso so na ɔmo gi loans ni bia de ɔmo business no ɔmo nso sɛ ɔmo dwadie no ebetimi akosoro.
It's been a difficult, very difficult 7 years. We want to thank the family, we want to thank all of our employees. We've had some very loyal, hardworking employees who have stood with us all these years. And definitely we give thanks to the Almighty for keeping us healthy enough to be where we are. Because this has been a very tough, very difficult time that we have gone through. It's just unimaginable. There's a lot to say, but not today. At the appropriate time, we will hold place to go through what we have experienced and the difficulties moving forward. What I want to say also is that we are in a very good political environment. That environment has brought about a wind of change, and we are expecting that with license restored, that we will now play our part, making sure that this country achieves the level of prosperity that is needed. There are just too many difficulties. Some people have died. Some have lost their jobs. Assets have been destroyed. Many things will not get back. But what we promise is that we will restore this country. We will restore our business, and we will make certain that our sector.
Eni ya uti ye Dr. Pakwasi Indumono ana ye president de ma group Indumo so businessman.
Yan toa kasebo no so na yamfe ani fankyire mu ewo court ensensem mu. Na meka sai MPP osno kokokura manyekuo no wanum ekyire mu a twide ampo Yankopon atom na brewa eyipuma kwam a ekina ebeye kotoduma bosome ne data so adenum yenu ewo mfempem yenu ne adenum nsiemu omodern krata tenten petition ekwa koma my Ghana otemwafo penin Chief Justice Yampapa Paul Bafu Bonny ekina ye Friday onjen kenkan ne nyina ne say my Ghana yen High Court and as a Circuit Court 9 otemwafo penin otiadwam mekire Anna Samuel Bright akwa wamu chire mi say ekwa ya wone eye bono eye mantem wonom titenani edema MPP amanyoku no edienum mekire Mr. Kwame Bafo dedo abano mane say abronye DC wamu chire menne otemu afui otete ne papa oma abronye DC enya ne hutwa brekra na kwanya ode abronye namso no oma yetimu no emra wom ne senti sesabi obia no pampo a sade obeka wonsem bia no ewo ho asotwen esepa na so mu kire mi say wo hwe asotwen ene kwanya Circuit Court 9 ode eye bono regional chairman edema MPP Kwame Bafo dido na bono mane say abronye DC enam so na Yankopon anim ni ene abonsematuko ebu oman Ghana mara so kram na otwatwerefo pani edema MPP amayoko no ene emram court ekwa ginesi ene wanom ema eye chairman Kwame Bafo eye abronye omoma ne bill ede 100,000 Ghana cedis sikam 1 billion tunti so ontua naja onko na nasem no mbesa toa so emresemu no ana wechire mi se ede ade a wan mesra Ghana mampeni oma yetimi eye mra na yede ye oman watumi ache Kwame Bafo Adwoa bono mane se abronye DC ede na to afiase walo mane ne sa nafu aporpor ba ye nkron ewo mna oman Ghana mre yi enkyere se akra o kire ma wo hwe nsama abronye kan yempo a enka wo jaja na so temu afui eyewo ena oka asem no ede fa hom enti na kan nya gumpo na se otena dwom edi asem no we be conflict of interest enti sabe ordinary personal interest we dey emotional papa pedibu atan enti enya de nam kwampa so krante no Yankopon ya de mekira omode nkrata ekwa akoma my Ghana otemu afo pani se papa be ya asem no mo nyimfiri ne nsem ene wa chenso niam a wo ye no Any on my Ghana Marano, a boy Brenty, say, tell me you more test what to me be one resign, no company baby in time. What am I to say? One message of my Ghana man penny say, and when huna, ya betcho, ya better we say in a dorsum. If you saw me, Kabi, never come money, womty, or my penny, one as Abbas, by Sana course, or my temper, you kumano.
For us, we felt that it could have been done yesterday, because if they was going to go and come back and say that they have no objection to the application, why didn't they do it yesterday? But be as it may, the court has granted the bail application, subject to some condition that the court has set, which should not be a problem for the accused. So we are happy that at least justice has been served, and we have been very consistent from day one that this is a case of misdemeanor, which a bail should not have been an issue at all at the circuit court. But as the trial judge at the circuit court did, which we had to come back to the high court. Indeed, we find the conduct of the trial judge as unacceptable, in some extent a misconduct. And it's not something that we are going to just let go. We are filing a petition to the Chief Justice for Justice Inum Kuson to be removed from the case of the Republic versus Abronya, because we believe that he has taken stand in the case and he cannot be a judge in his own case, and therefore justice will be well served when the case is given to a different judge to look into the matter. We are going to do it tomorrow. The New Patriotic Party will file a petition against the Circuit Court 9 for misconduct, the judge for Circuit Court 9 for misconduct.
Any awuti ye or no, and I watch for penny at the MPP or sono Kokruku Amanyoko, the day at the Jackson from Pong, Kudia.
Yentua kasiabone so na contractor ye juma ewa krat ma motorway ne so akasa HM say nipa numbi HM project na yade omeja hono ma omonto aso se omobeye na ye engineer kwabna bempon no ana ye chief resident engineer ono no ehwe se project no ebetimi akoso HM a eye omofa kwan ne so ana ande complain ahodro ana maja kwan no ana monye ana traffic na esi so ana mfutro ana chese kumien na di akasebo epiemu ewo honom ana engineer kwabna ekasa ana ochemu se eye project ne krampo no ma ye be 46% omuhwa nim se entempa so a eye akrata ma motorway no betimi aye awie sane be ye omonso omutwihwan efa so no omoho ebetimi ajo
has not stalled on the project. You might have seen that when we started about a year ago, we were doing a lot of earthworks, and of course during earthworks you see a lot of trucks moving on unsuitable material, bringing in rock, bringing in filling material. But as of today, we have done probably about 95% of the earthworks, and we will be starting the pavement works very soon. We've also been working on the concrete works, and again we have about 20 culverts, box culverts, huge ones, and about 3 bridges. We have done quite a lot so far, and I believe as you go along the road you find out that where we started on the urban highway and left the middle portion, which is the expressway, we've now joined the two. By the end of April we've done about 44%, so give and take we should be around 46% now.
Uti ye engineer kwabna bempon no ana ye chief resident engineer na no achi ana omo amuchi omo shan efa motorway ne so ekasa ye no muche mu say omo de omo culture contractors ne so omo nya ne ntem sane ebe ye kwan ne so so no omo so ebetimi afasubi
ya dis adan ne say abembe be shop no omo ye ne tentem because omo ye ne ntem wie ma ya ro say so ye course be ba form you make your 50 January to this time but ties more than 10 ties with me to mostly to home use ties uto we one month kwenu na asay
on my pressure and gun for so no man no ntema na accident be break kwenu so be bia adiba kon say won say bro dabet no mo ya ebi fan kwan so da ye nu no fini je Mali Togo bi nu kwan so but on say mun nam sa spirit sa wo be bia dabet kwan no e bia wo ye Ghana ni na we higher wo dia wo fa kwan so no o break no spin no dia boto ana say wonim say ho break ana ho nye de we no ni baba no so no ana be wa say o kana no abo ato achene oh yes oh baby to me see that no sa motor bi ni je ka ekun mo mienu nyina wa je bi ko kwan na enye ntino ejinu me sadam here na me bon me pen for che say omo ye kwan na my
oh more the time I use it yeah always all the time. That's in the nature of the road. Okay, they are now constructed it and then it's taking quite long and it's a big worry for us, so we are looking forward for them to do something about it for us.
Any a wuti ye eya hyenkafo a omofa Accra atema motorway ni so.
Yantoa kasebo no so na yɛmfi ani mfɛnkyerɛ my Ghana apɔmuden ensensem emum na ɔsoafo no no men ɔhwɛ na apɔmuden ɛsom ɛyɛ onimnyamfo kwabra minta akanto ɔno kura yanso na yɛ mahyebetwani demand hyia wɔnom ɛwɔ sehwitwabo so na dawhwɛmu nsɛm ɛde ato my Ghana nim sɛ sesi a mekasɛyi my Ghana mu ɛnya ade a Ebola yale no ebi ɛsi my Ghana mu na mmom bibiman atɔyɛ fam so enya de bi abaha kram okirema ban eguso ne hyepa egu akwam aboasa bɛyam enka beto dwa sɛ wiase nyina kubatan a ɛna hwɛ apɔmuden so WHO mekire World Health Organization penifo beto dwa sɛ sesi ameka sɛ amama nyina mo mɔne na wasa krodom efiri sɛ Ebola yale no atu atese America tepa no enya dewa nana emram na okasa na watu Ghana man nyina fo na yɛ wɔtɛn kotonima bosome de taso de no baako ewa mfempe mienu ne aduonu ensiamum no ni menyamfa doctor kwabra minta akano ekyirem sɛ magana ni bia yem enhyehye ne da wa mugu so ede nhyepa egu akwam obi ama no homoden sɛ obetumi adi so na boase bɛyɛ ayade yi ɔmanyim yentumi koti bi emfansa sra kram oni menyamfo ekyirem sɛ sesa hwɛ sɛ de Ebola yale ne te na ano wadene sɛ kan wa kwea do bɛfa so no nya de kuma kram okirem a eyo kyese ne mapi na betumi adadi sɛnkyene bɛdadi sɛ wanya bi no ubon se wankasa no wonya bi wa wide ma wo se body no just ayɛ memrem no wayɛ bɛtɛ homodwo na de adam just ayɛ ho hwenye ye ɛno wakyɛ nso se obi ɛwɔ bi na agya ɔhweme gu ho a obetuma nya bi pam obi wa na obi kura obi kososo ne mafum bi mu sa na wo so du nsa kosom obenya bi ntia me yɛ ni na ho ne makaka basabasa ne yenyan o kyerem a wo hu se bia wanya fever bi enkwada otiri paw sam wa poso no afoso afemfem oti ya wo ya wo honam nyina tutu kwa hospital na kwa hwa pomudem bo ho na ya sa wo fefe basa wani nyina yesen osrew sa wono mapeteshi emo ye nkra de a kwa hospital na hwe apom na bia na Ebola e ba besram onmnyamfo kirem se obesre mamudi nhyiamudi akese no mamade yankofa Veronica bucket nsi wono momfa monsa hohoro ho a hohoro wonsa fesemena ka ho na de ade ya yenye bia bio na moa we de distance bia na mo yan hore yansa ho bra no bra na mo se be yade we no entumi entu asesem o kirem se asoye hwe man Ghana ya pomuden so ena man Ghana ban egu so e de hyepa egu akwama bo se be yade yi o man yimpo ebi nkobam.
Dear countrymen and women, the Ministry of Health over the past 1 week has issued 2 publications on Ebola. Last week, WHO declared Ebola as a public health emergency of international concern. Ebola is a viral disease spread through direct contact with blood, body fluids, secretions, and contaminated surfaces or materials. People experiencing symptoms such as sudden fever, headache, muscle pain, vomiting, diarrhea, or unexplained bleeding should immediately report the nearest health facility. It is important to note that no cases have been recorded in West Africa, including our dear country, Ghana. However, it is said prevention is always better than cure. In that spirit, the following precautions must be adhered to. 1. Practice good hand hygiene. What this means is that we should wash our hands frequently with soap and running water or use hand sanitizers. 2. During mass gatherings, please also practice good hand hygiene, and event organizers should provide hand washing stations and hand sanitizers. Dear countrymen and women, it is important to stress that presently the risk is low in Ghana. I would like to use this opportunity to assure everybody that the government is taking all the necessary measures to protect us all. I thank you.
DLFM 106.9.
Eni a wuti ye ono na yo swafo a ohwe o my Ghana ya pomuden eso onimnyamfo kwabra minta akando na wote nini
Yentwa kasebone so na vice chairman Ede Medisa Manyoko no ewa Manse West Yemen's ninim ewa santimantemu Alhaji Usman akasa chemu se ye muslimifo enfo mu ho enhye Edwada mubedi no busumi weye musane ebe yo muso no ometimi enya alaho enhira na yade a one nsemchofo etwetwe nkomo efa Edwada omode ahye yekotoni ma abosome ne de toso aduonu nso ewo mfimpi mienu ne aduonu nsia mu ana Alhaji Usman ekasa ana ochemu se safa hyewe efa Prophet Abraham Obafoye Edema Allah Sani Ebeya Ebetimi Acheno Abe Nyankopon no so sunu ni hira no wetimi enye bi na se kobasa wa hohiahia mu krampo na Allah ebetimi agye no enu nti muslimifo ni na ewo so mani bresa ne ebeya omo so no betimi aben Allah na hira bi a ewo so hira omo no so ede amawo
yeba be di sala na sala da ye be di no so asubie ene yin na ya hwehwe afi akọ abetua na wada na me ase esense na me aye bia ma yin na fact Ghana asubie na wo no no na kopo ambo ya ho ba na nkoso saa etibe de afutuo e maye ni anom kramofo nyina ewo wiase nyina ni Ghana man nyina se yamfa odo enye sala no eni asubie na enye mushira timo bia barka da sala in advance se kopo o manantue ewia na de asida amena futu kakra me de mama omobunu ne oma omotwe se bi moto gidigidi na yini na no ye besram akopon ade mfie ba kwa ba kaya ho esese da nase enye ni na ya ga sa ebi amato omo ebi da ji ebi kura no odidi kura anko enti se nyame aboa ne wa hode mu na wa hyiran a yemfa asida emanya na Ghana man so fa ne timapa so wo bi nko a o se ade a Nyankopɔn ahyehyɛ ato sɛ wohwɛ Abraham na onni sika a ɔde beto wotwan kora a ɔde bɛbɔ afɔre Nyankopɔn ɛka sɛ wɔmfa ne ba ɛmfa bɔ afɔre ma ɔgye tu mu ɛde ne ba no ɛkɔto wanka ɔbɔ afɔre a ɔkɔtwa ne ba no mene ɛde ama Nyankopɔn ɛne Nyankopɔn na ade wotwan firi ɛsoro a yɛnom ɛde brɛ no ɛmɛ sɛ abɔkɔsɛm wɔ ɛwɔ Bible mu ɛwɔ Quran mu ena odi sawo gan sacrifice emanya entienu na ya hye no so a afi bia ogidi ni bia no ese wo bo afore emanya enti we ya afore bo ena ye bo enti wo bi na obetima akum ni 2000 kura na adoye ena wo de be ma yafo because wo timi kum aboa na de o wo nchen wa anya bia nkono na wo timi ma ni bi na saa da no ni nkwan hwama wa manyame abode kra no aba no enti Nyankopɔn bɛhyɛ ma na wahyira wo bebree
Enwechi ana Alhaji Usman efa akwanya ne so ehye form 3 student omostra wasin so he ne so mani na honom na momfa ho hyeso no munsua de se ne beyan so he no betimi atro ni ye
afuto we de ba man kula de sɛ obi anyere no ho na wontro sɛ de wo betro no ɛno na wo de bɛyɛ wo daakye nti wo de obi ma wa akɔ na wo de tro na wo de kɔ na nya wo na wo yɛ ya ɛbɛsa ha wo daakye nti ɛbɛsrɛ mu nsua de na mo a mo ntimi ntro na Nyankopɔn so nto nsupa guso ɛsɛ president wo mo a mo tro no yɛbɛnya president yɛbɛnya minister yɛbɛnya MP yɛbɛnya vice president ɛwɔ mu nti yɛgidie nyina wɔ mu nti ɛbɛsrɛ mo mo de ya mo nsua de yɛ na Nyankopɔn hyɛ
DLFM 106.9
Eni ya uti ye Alhaji Usman ono ana ye vice chairman e de Mendy Amanyoko no ewo Amansie West Men's Ninim na Amani Boy ye nsem troni ofori Boatin Samuel ana di fra santimantemo ebesomye
yanto akase won so na yemfa yani mfa nkyere mu ewo my Ghana ye payment na make say mobile telephone network MTN Ghana wonu dwumedi amudie na wonu taboaboa ene adehye mo my Ghana no potem no wonu gusu a corporate social responsibility no omabo homoden etimi akyerɛkyerɛ enipa pode ahamienu 200 personnel a wonu every small and medium size enterprises ebeka ne se SMEs eno ne yenwuma nkuma na adentamum ebi omo register ne kama ebi nso so de omo register edwuma de todwa ewa payment mahinkro kofoludua na edwuma de todwa no MTN edwuma kuo no ejire mi se won be se omoboa na oman Ghana enwuma nkuma na adentamum no so tumitim na oman yetumi koyanim empuntum na emperefo akire mi se ena wo hwe SMS business clinic na omade boa se be ya oman Ghana nipa ahodo a wono mankasa ebiabio mankasa nwuma no ometotom sikasemye na boa se be yamudwuma omoye no entimi nkogu kwantempom mu na agya ahokyere ka gba kototwento aba anwea padada so no ebi keka wonom dwumadie etodwa ewo Capital View Hotel ewo Kofodua ewo Ndrada na eye kotonima boseme ne da na toso aduonum na ye wukuada ewo mfempim ye no ne aduonu ensiemu a na asebti da so ne say setting up business setting up business for growth. Ye bi adwuma yɛtoto ne yie ma adwuma no atimi akɔ n'anim. Na mra opanipa ne den ete Abubakar Sadik Mohammed. Ona ye senior sales manager ede ma MTN adwuma koi obon homadia ehwe small and medium size enterprises eso. Ne sentrefo kasa na wo kyerem sɛ dwumadi amudie no won pɛ sɛ moboa pa ne sɛ amekese ohwe o man Ghana enwuma nkuma ene dentamu na eno atumi agina honom ema o man Ghana nwuma a ewo man mu no ohamgichemu aduowotwe 80% edema o man Ghana boa ye pa ma GDP no etumi konkanye pam ye sika sema konkanye na no every say nwuma nketewa yi ene dentamu ne bodwa dwumadi opani kyerem sɛ wo hwa nkuntabu a aba montena wo hwa o man Ghana de hye o munya dwuma ye o man mu ohamgichemu aduokronom 95% wanu mu nyina ye nipa hodo wanu mu nya nwuma nkuma ne dentamu ibi wane de no eja on register dodo na nso akọ register general register kama bibia da dia mu nyina boa momen sikasem ne mpuntuo atimi akonanim na Mr. Sadik Mohammed hrem say sa SMEs nipa ma chachiro ma adwuman won be mo maden atimi enya fasodie pi eye na mienu enche mo de ma wo mo no ebetu ambo mo pa bi metumi enya website kama wo betumi de abo mankasa ne ma tonton ehu dagurum wo Ghana ba bibia se be ya manfo so kombeto wo beto mo ne ma ne bi awabefo kwan so o kirema sesei omugu so ebo dwumaden atimi de omani e de akire ene mantam para miensem akoma dwumaden atimi ahwem o matete Ghana mebunu piomu so anya dwuma se beboa na o man Ghana dodo na anya dwuma aye o de nsem sei ete nam sini otonkra e de fa pie mentemu kontinu kofi obo anim.
Yeah, SLB business clinic or it's still this is the first of its kind already because we share SMEs, buja business, SMEs, as it say, buja business, more business. If you know only a formal, you know only informal, no trust, marriage, start more businesses, our research department. Informal, no teaching say, almost but we share intimate side of all media, my pa. MTN as part of support I have now. Yeah, you say then contribution here so. You say you more support into your organizing clinic you and me food ya send the bear. Yes, you say me about 200 and something but the businesses SMEs are still the more the training your friend capacity boards. Capacity building no more a bit wrong, not more but to idea for digital tools. And I say your idea solution to from SMC the praise. I'm so we pay every business amount connectivity, amount internet, number one. And some of it might be from the website every amount. Some of them will but to me, whole internet so no one who's a business. Okay, ABI business now, we will be share data, and I say production, and I say ABI. So the somebody out there will be able to carry on and able to carry. And I say, easily to handle very common produce processing and all these things are things that people want to outside and want to see because it's very, very important. People like it outside of Ghana.
DLFM 106.9.
Any awoti ono ana waje senior sales manager edema MTN Ghana. One of small and medium sized enterprises ono and a hweso ni din ede Mr. Abubakar Sadik Mohammed ena wotene nkan na amaneboi yansam twene kontinu kofi opo ena defiri apiemantemu ebesom yen yenyina we so na keka madwenkyire ni bi mfanso mo ewo Facebook no eso na Facebook na betemu pa se premeni abomu me wafa se me mfiase mfra krocha fa ne de aba oso ohwe live edifiri aguna we de da bio ohwe live edifiri hoboase no chirema the government that focus on lies and then there be amanyo 7 de yankin kan yo misro yankan na asante Emmanuel de aba no so ma ya Judea News ohwe live edi free Accra Medical Center na wase wapon a wokofie ni wotie ka se bona life pam na sa Arabic teacher ne de ede pa na wogie bebe wakwa hwebia ne yankwa hwenemra na yenche no kra na yenkwaji skangu ebotum na dole ya Agyei waje de aba na wase papa we pa na wase ne ho papa we pa kono ben pa na wo mo frank tengete we hu a etu atuma kwase ese wo no mu e ka sen e na ode aba sai Sammy B e na Adwoa Agyei Sikapa hwe life edi free Christian village Achimwata na wasande aba say dear news oja gom dole ya Agyei wagye enumre ya chia na Kofi Parliament di aba na wase oh Ghana small hand to mouth small hand to mouth inso so wase mankind de tire dear news loud in Agrabo Bikuma upper Kofi Parliament ni kakra ebedi nipa bra sa na woka na Asante Emmanuel Credit aba na wase ncha kase nkoma madam Irene owo Accra Medical Center NFI Madam Gloria ono so Accra Medical Center NFI Madam Metron Rita ono so Accra Medical Center mate omu nyina bete na Richard Afedi aba na wase ncha kase nkoma Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy P na Adwoa Agyei Sikapa na dwumade amobɔ esom oman Ghana oda ya se pam na kase ebo no ohwe life na eye DJ Ghana man free ni so gbetre station DLF Manes oda ya se pana dwumade ayebo esom oman Ghana chimse kase ebo no eye wona po bam ede ade ka sen no de ka ho ede abam na paga de aba no wo sei abronye DC be ye Iroko boss ene ye mo amasema so be ye so anyo atogemo am na Sandra Beka de aba no wo so man ya Judea News ohwe live edi free tema free zone no chere mi se lumbans to papa no the 100% edi aka home or say just get a grip and one no e chere din e krokram nye no sika enye no
sa pepe
enye sa
sahanet
yes Ghana ne ya ba won chen asema da prusi ni we sofa na men sofa eno na ma ohena pakan emu ye ha sofa na men sofa na ma ohena pakan emu ye ha enkra Western Regional Police Command Ediaba say o chire na no wo chire Arabic kasa ani dindi Sule Anas eye sekani takrade Fijai Zongo Central Community fo na bo modern abo ne paase o chire ni nte on chire mofra Arabic kasa weekends eno peni akwa sese ye mofra kwasi bo ne beka ne say defilement we defile wo mo and the somebody cry wanted sika ba fie se obeta na we ato bi mo na ana nso beto dwa se school administrator ba kono to sa abofra fi ni wawie junior high school foforo kra emono chan na nsenya o 14 years ono so asese na da e ma kwagina court the rate at which a defilement asha asase bio no we na nka miri bia atwam na wo ho pa emla ma asha asase talent intend se ni ho bio so na nsen ekoso tesi ya mo chirem so mo declare wanted asem we dia na ya fa ho asoman na defilement eto betwa Ghana ne 30 seconds oba na akono nso agbaguram ahoma ne dem 05340 50199 059340 6565 teacher Nas akwase school for mafra no watu pia fajan sarabasa okokra majo
jawa na we
ya me adome ho ya pawdi na bia kasa free Bengazi yentie wo kasa free
obakroa
sina yentie anumre
we no the rituals that no koye no yen keke ewi asun won se enti na se wo nsinye no ono no ya bi before complain o inya so ja ban pa ma we mu na se nkwata sam ni nyɛ to otwa
yo
that's it
to me da se pa ma jo me dafo
e de adia
e ka sen
e chire di
great you have fit ma champion me enti anumre
yo Nhyiraba nyame sha no adwuma pa mo wo woni Adwoa musia say dia a perfect combination nyame sha mo Nhyiraba de me kan say wo hu Ghana ha no I say sumina suja no huru na agi say form na no bibisa say Dr. Beckley den ye de ye no Dr. Beckley be kun kwala bebre wo Ghana ha enso na me ka say odi nchini di meko enno pure water de ko no lumba supagu so
Dr. Beckley 2011 2012 from no we why
den ye no ansan wo
okay
you see the punishment I say the man pan I say the man one fa what you say teacher ya o say teacher ya friend say
or the Sule Anas
Wahe. Oye kremoni.
Yeah, oh yeah. Oye kremoni. Ena o manka senu ya no kremu for pa. Debi.
Won sanka ye Saudi Arabia ka dan ye de baye no kufa sew. On Ghana ha no ye mfa manyam yemfa manyam ena osofu bi ko ne ka kukum besim ne ye nka ho hwe e kire din okoto de no bodwe.
Nyanya nkyere. Medase majo.
Over pressing.
Hey, Kofi Imanie, Ashama Damon City.
Wafamala.
Yentie wa mde nyame adome hoye.
Hey, wafa Sule na no wa basem do.
Oh, no wa basem. No wa basem.
Hey,
Sule wanyade. Ah. Kese Sule teacher nkola Arabica. What Arabica tra. Islamic account.
Watra kodu mofana na ntema kotimu sade nyina. Ede ade a.
Oh. Wofa ade we die. E wo say tu ntwa. So ti ase.
Matiase.
Ku che important mu a asade na ekoso. Ba edifika kata so. Ana awofo bi mu ama edin amuntimi nka o masem.
Yo.
Wofa oni nyame edwuma.
Wone yakopon entina majo.
Uncle, good evening. Na po me.
Ya me adomi hu yo me amefu anyi.
Uncle Pocha na la.
Kase fenye tema.
Uncle Pocha ndedi mkese fi ashama.
Yenteu.
Uncle, nimpe today the what na you windi na asamu. Na damo from nkete na la. Wonentem na abade na ehwa menti. Onhu ni ya no kono damo from nkete. Nti ya uncle, ndemi nimpe bwana for na the what na nya da udi na asap. Da ko prison straight. Me da wana ase.
Me so me da ase majo.
Good evening, Sammy.
Dola ya Adwoa Agyei Christian Village achema wata yentio.
Sammy, me me call amawe. Girl no di o man penini atem. Ye chuo no so no mu di den sua ade. O man penini no tu penu a obedi di na atem wo social media say. Ye nkokun timi de emede. Say achi. Bye bye.
Me da ase majo.
Yes, papa.
Wo di na bia kasa free. Mama Udin. Sister Linda ni mleme yentio.
Nhyiraba won. Sani mu wenyina yete se aya nkwala no. Omo bibi koye bibi o. Minjin de se eye akwono bi. Isi asite nukuro nti ama obi ayese. Roma oba fanya oba force anye sekano. Isi anu no moye. Ena discipline so ni Ghana ha anka discipline wa ha. Said the boy where yes adi o mo china na nko mo kunu life. Na nka o mo yes anko asem wenu. O mu hu se sisi anu Ghana no o mo ni abe. Bewe ye chino mpokora o de sika be yobe no mo aja no. Me da se.
Menso me da se majo.
Nhyiraba.
West ni odobro ni junction.
Wa ko bari me di ga mo ko de.
Ya me adu bibia ye fine sama yenchi woni me.
Ai na ntia o ne Sikapa. Nhyiraba ensimbia o. Ensimbia. Because akwana edepa ni ti ube hu ni wona. Ah ni ti ni be wa kono. We
Wasi udi ahwase aye na ye odobro ni junction fo ahoma no so aye tro. Me fa mi valley fan na akwana ka sebo ne ye de asimajo.
Bacho mu ye.
Ya me adu me yete apo udi na bia kasa free.
Bacho fa mi sapon e kasa free airport. Say Nhyiraba Saudi on. We ni fe na ka be ye court. Because Nhyiraba ya go ye do afo man kese e man abusu ama ndide de kwa Saudi we. Akimba na kwa Saudi we.
Nese me banya botre adrabafo no ma no ze no mabusu ama mo.
Chama na ma dia se do for the visit.
I think you pay bi onya o.
Oh, be so sadi pa onya na so. Sisi am no ka so. Obi from the MP.
Oh wow. Mate.
Ama ho abeba so ma ezi o tete.
Ya aya ma mi nua back pass wate.
Me da se. Obi kwado obenya bi bebre
aya ma ne back pass here.
Ndi be o mutina so o life.
Life. Me da se. Oh, chale me wo fa isi we so wonte ase. Me ofrefre me fa we amapon me sere mo bi amfre bi o majo. Yes, I didn't be akasa free.
I very detailed to inside officer.
Senior me yente wanu me.
Papa no aya. Atambe se Arabic na agano o ti ase se na o koyesa. Ebi ana ni ti ase se Arabic na o koyesa o ti no ti yesa o nka ti tani pa de. Obi a woni mo de de se won ti ni yesa. Nse bi na Arabic na wan ti ase.
Yo. Mate me da se pa afrefo no ebrete no enya de ebetumi afabio kasebo no yedi esisika enti ochechire no sesie no de waye no Ghana dodo adehye na kasa mu chirimu a we ni mmomode anhwe na ye nche na ija nkebe ya ye mfa ne famra kwanso
chene de say de ya
say no so ne watu pia fa giant ye say ye boa na ye kohwe ne ba wate ase Enti yesre ne picture no de zigi de atoso. Aha, on da so no. Waye ni nyina oba Facebook no so DLFM 106.9. DJ Ziggy B e de atoso to ba be hu nipa ye ka ne ho asem ne nyina ye moa na gya ye nkwache no na o my Ghana mra ene ni ehia pa ye che ne saa de na gya kira yidin nti saa de be ha dwen ohu ya nche ne de mra na tentene na wo pe no wunya se ye nche no
ede ya be che no che ne de
sika se yekọ kase bọ ne ye gina wo ti ne bunu kom se pon emusemufo no eye maze mebelantwi ene se mu ede ema yen mi senior man DJ Ziggy B echinchim kase frefo ma de sumya numrei sanso no kure ya nso na chinchim kase frefo ma sanso de kopie mu Facebook ana fi yitima kase bọ no wonya bi ehwe ye akenkafo ye mienu edi ameje so ye wofa ose adeyo Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B mahutedin ane bantwe bo no na otafirija mene me wafa seba
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa
yes also a DJ Afiba di international DJ oba betenase na ba wo be no enwom no eye pekin kran tese we menana we kura so we shiti basa ba wo ba na nya de wa tikoso na tenase nene DJ Afiba international DJ meshia na ba wo ba na nwom de bre wo no enya de wa kura na tena free samre kopem se no ni bebo na ndu gba obeso na di international DJ Ziggy B betenase on stop a preach say kopem se ade be say no in fact Ziggy no aje me yes chemishes because we dey see to me yes chemishes because enya izo opening sika enya izo e just ne topa got 24/7 ene one ye ne afiti ahomachia
24-hour economy ne no
this o sha se ache what you say is it was double ona papa yinna adwuma no eso pa e dey see to me ne preparatory aya ka kire miss mebel entry say me say on preparatory am wo fa asi what you say kratch ba ko no wai
yeah ya
ba queen Wunian
Bismarck
ye court reporter
Coffee Taylor I saw a report
ye court correspondent to him on name akwara nyon woni name obi to make it Ghana for ya krama mu nyina monitor a Sikapa say kopesika unya sika ubenya de ope wanya sika de a wo fa se wa bregu ku a nti yawra mo say sika de hia
brother and then your mama me me na me and then your kwadwo bumpa bo me